Hey everybody, this is Russ Carson Jr., one of the genealogists here at Family Tree Nuts, and I'm in Lexington, Virginia. I'm at Virginia Military Institute, VMI. VMI was founded in 1839, but has an older history than that. Following the War of 1812, Virginia set up arsenals throughout the state to be used as a preparation point for militias. In the 1830s, Mr. Preston, a local lawyer here in Lexington, had pushed for this particular arsenal to be used as an area of educational instruction. So he got it passed through the Virginia government systems, and in 1839 the arsenal opened up its gates as Virginia Military Institute. And 1842 was the first graduating class of 17 cadets. Major Stonewall Jackson reported here in the 1850s and served as a professor here at VMI, and was somewhat not necessarily liked by a lot of the cadets that were here. Some people gave him the nickname of Old Hickory because of his sternness, and he would memorize the entire class for the day prior. But of course the Civil War happened in 1861, and Stonewall Jackson marched out of Lexington with a bunch of cadets from right here out of VMI. Matter of fact, no less than 14 times cadets were used as were called upon for battles in the Civil War and for protection measures and other places. But this particular institution here has been used all the way since then, and has had many generals that have graduated from VMI. There's been a Secretary of State, Secretary of Defense, Secretary of the Army, Nobel Peace Prize winners, 7 Medal of Honor winners. Many senators and congressmen, state representatives have graduated from here, VMI, and governors as well. Include General Patton graduated from here, and my favorite, Marine number 1, Lieutenant General Lewis B. Chesty Puller at URA, was graduated from here in 1921. The institution around me here is today the cadets do not have to serve in the military, although most of them do. But the cadets do not have to serve in the military, but they do have to be in some sort of ROTC in order to be here at VMI. So, and you see the cadets forming up behind me there, so we may get ran out. But anyway, wanted to bring you to this very historic location of Virginia Military Institute, one of the 4 remaining military colleges in the nation. And remember, Family Tree Nuts. Let our nuts find the nuts in your family tree.